Hey guys! In this video, I'll explain what MicroG Services is and how it works. Let's get started. Most Android apps depend on something called Google Play Services. It runs in the background and handles things like GPS location, notifications, and Google Sign-ins. But the downside is it also uses battery, memory, and can collect user data. This is where MicroG comes in. MicroG is an open source alternative to Google Play services. It basically recreates the same features so apps can still work normally, but without the heavy background processes. In simple terms, MicroG makes apps think Google services are installed while reducing tracking and resource usage. So, why do people use it? First, it helps improve privacy by limiting data sent to Google. Second, it can improve battery life, especially on older devices. Third, it allows certain apps, like modified YouTube apps, to still use Google login features. And finally, it's useful on custom ROMs or devices without official Google services. You can think of MicroG as a lightweight replacement that keeps apps working without the extra load. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.